2017 Gold Rush Premier Players Football Personal Box Break for Kyle Winter. Thank you, Kyle. Good luck. It's actually a fresh case. They're $205 if anybody wants them. Also, there is a full case group break in the store for just $45. You got a shot at all 12 cards in the case. And there is 27 left in that one. It's the second one we're doing. One to 6, sir. Number 2. Alrighty. Good luck. Pretty nice right there. That is Prime Signatures RPA Dak Prescott out of 199. Auto 2-color patch for the boys. Rookie signature cuts of Dak Prescott. Very nice. 2016 Panini Prime Signatures. Nicely done. One more card coming at you. Wow, nice box. How about 2 QB autos for you, since that's what you collect? An on-card auto of John Elway, Pen Pals from 2000 Donruss Preferred. Donruss Preferred John Elway. 2000 Donruss Pen Pals on-card auto. Very nice. Nice box. You would have first up if you want any more. If not, it's open to the floor. They're $205. This is the type of stuff that will be coming in the group break for Premier Players number 2, which I'll drop the link for you guys. Full case for $45 random teams. And there is 12 hits in the case.
And jumps again to over 150 after a year.